Hi, I'm Caroline with the Lowe's Trend Team, and today I'm going to show you 4 coordinated color ideas for your bedroom and bathroom. It can be tricky enough to decide on one paint color, let alone trying to coordinate multiple rooms like a master suite. Here are a few ideas using just paint and wallpaper. For the first design, we chose a neutral palette where light tones are layered with sage accents. Branch-inspired wallpaper frames the bed. This color scheme is ideal for those looking for a calm and serene bedroom. In the bathroom, we stayed within the same neutral palette but went a shade darker with the wall color using Valspar's Modest Silver. Then we ran a soft green stripe through the center of the bathroom and painted the shelving units to match. Look closely and you'll see the branch wallpaper lines the back of the tower units, tying the bedroom and the bathroom together in a subtle way. For those seeking a more feminine style, look no further than the next bedroom. This soft peachy pink color, called Morning Glow, looks great with the oatmeal and white accessories in the room. On the bottom of the wall, a matching vertical striped wallpaper is a nice addition. The soft palette continues into the bathroom. We used Valspar's Swiss Coffee on the walls and painted the shelving and vanities in the same Morning Glow as the bedroom. Wallpaper in a horizontal stripe pulls it all together. Deep dramatic shades are trending right now. These work well in bedrooms to set the tone for a good night's sleep. This bold peacock color by Valspar is called Azure Blue. Navy curtains and accessories play up the moody vibe, while a splash of fuchsia in the pillows provides a pop of color. The color continues to the bathroom, where we painted the vanities and shelving Valspar's Brookside. A wide stripe of butterfly wallpaper behind each vanity makes a statement and perfectly complements your jewel-tone space. For the last few years, gray has been popular in both interiors and exteriors. If you have a gray bedroom and bath but want an update, try Valspar's Lilac Lace. Lavender shades are having a moment and look great with gray tones. If you look closely, we used this shade on paintable wallpaper to give the room added texture. Heading into the bathroom, we painted the top half Prudence and the bottom half in the same Lilac Lace. Then we ran a wide band of geometric wallpaper through the middle. We hope we've inspired you to grab a paintbrush and refresh your bedroom and bathroom. If you're ready to get started, visit Lowes.com or your local store to pick up your paint and supplies.